You might want to use YouTube as a hosting platform, not as a search engine, just because the content is specific to certain viewers. So here's how you create a link you can send people so only they can see the video. It's pretty simple. When you upload your video, you'll be given some options right here. You want to select unlisted. This means it won't appear on your search. And then you hit publish. Now you've done this, you might want to change it back or unlist more videos you've already uploaded. And that's simple too. Go back to your YouTube studio and check out the visibility row. Select the pen and hey presto, unlisted is back. We use unlisted videos a lot. If you're using video ads on Google, you have to upload them to YouTube. And we don't really want subscribers to get the adverts, so we keep them hidden. Otherwise, you should really think about setting up an ad-only channel as to not disgruntle your subscribers. So, if you want to join our subscribers, our very undisgruntled subscriber fan base, then click right here. And if you want to learn some other stuff about video, then check out some of these.